Hi, it's Jen from Shabby Fabrics. As you know, the Jelly Roll rugs, the slice rug, are all the rage. They're so much fun to make, and we've shown you how to do that. There's a new product on the market, and I want to introduce it to you because it helps you get the Jelly Roll ball together even faster. Let me show you what I mean. Previously, when we shot the video on how to make the Jelly Roll rug, we showed you how to prepare the Jelly Roll strips with the katahdin, and we used the Wonder Clips, which work great. I'm just going to give you a little quick refresher on that. You'll fold toward the center and just fold in half and clip. And it works great, like I said. But of course, you end up running out of clips. Once you run out of clips, you go over and sew, and you unclip as you go, and then you go back and clip again. And there is kind of this back and forth. Again, the Wonder Clips work great, but a very clever lady has come up with a tool called the Jelly Roll Sasher, and I want to show you how this works. It's another option. You might still love working with the clips, but I at least want to introduce this to you as a possible option. So to use the Sasher, you'll have your strip just like before with your katahdin, and you'll have that down from the top by about maybe 3/4 of an inch, and she recommends that you fold that flap down. Just like before, you'll fold the sides toward the center initially, and then you'll feed this through. So you'll have this portion on the right side, you'll feed this through the bottom. Feed that through, and here. It takes just a little bit of adjusting, but the whole idea is that the Sasher will kind of bring that toward the center for you. You will do the next fold, but isn't that nice that this tool will, as you move it, you see how it just naturally wants to pull those sides together. So we're going to start sewing this over here on the sewing machine, and I'll show you how you kind of work. You sew a little distance and then you move your Sasher down. You sew a little bit of distance. So let's go over to the sewing machine and I'll show you how this works. Okay, so we're at the sewing machine. Now don't be tempted to pull this down because that'll make this open up. I'll try to keep my right hand out of this as much as I can so you can see what's happening. The Jelly Roll Sasher's job is to really fold those two sides to the center. You will need to go ahead and make that other fold, making sure that those two are stacked right on top of each other. Now sometimes it is hard to get this going. It's a lot of bulk. So let's take it to the sewing machine and we'll get it going. You might have to finesse that just a little bit initially to get this moving along. Here we go. Now I'm going to move the Sasher down just a little bit, with the idea being that I'm never more than 6 inches away from my needle. And I just kind of roll my finger in the middle like this and just hold it down. If you have a machine that has a needle down position, you absolutely want to move that so it's stable while again you move your Sasher down. Don't go too far though. Never more than about 6 inches away. Maybe I can go just a little bit further. I kind of roll my finger, my index finger in the middle, and let's sew again. I'll do it one more time and then we'll take a look at how we did. Again, your index finger, smooth everything out, lay it over top, hold it in position, sew. So let's see how we did. So look how this did. Look how even it is. I just love that. I was able to stay at the sewing machine all the way through making this Jelly Roll rug. I'm not back and forth. So again, the Wonder Clips do work great. It's a nice option. The Sasher, I love it too. So you could pick your favorite or maybe choose both. Of course, I use the Wonder Clip for binding and a lot of other things as well, and this is specifically for making these super fun Jelly Roll rugs. Of course, we bring you notions that we feel add value, save you time, and make sewing more fun and accurate. If you have not already subscribed to our YouTube channel, be sure to do that now. That way you know about all of our newest products, YouTube tutorials, and of course, sew along. So I'll see you next time.